Wait, see that smooth hover effect? Image zooms in, text fades right to the center. And guess what? This is pure HTML and CSS. Let me show you how to build this step by step. Set your page title, image text overlay. Create the basic HTML structure. Inside the body, add a div with class card. Place your image inside it, then add a text div mountain view. Finally, link your CSS file using the link tag. Now let's style it with CSS. Start with the body, set the background to white, then use display flex to center everything. Align item center, justify content center, and set the height to 100 VH so it fills the screen. Remove default margin and set a clean font like Arial. Next, style the card container. Set position to relative so the text can be positioned inside it. Give it a fixed width and height, then hide overflow so nothing spills out. Add a border radius for smooth corners and a soft glowing box shadow. Also add a transition for smooth hover effects. Now add a hover effect to the card. Slightly increase the glow to make it feel interactive. Move to the image. Set width and height to 100% so it fills the card perfectly, and use Object Fit Cover to keep it looking good. Add a transition, then on hover, scale it up slightly to create that smooth zoom effect. Now style the text overlay. Set position to absolute, place it at top 50% and left 50%, then use Transform Translate to perfectly center it. Change the text color to white, increase the font size, and make it bold. Add some padding, a dark transparent background, and round the edges for a pill shape. Add a glow effect and keep the text on one line using white space wrap. Set opacity to 0 so it's hidden at first, and add a transition. Finally, when the card is hovered, set the text opacity to 1 so it fades in smoothly right at the center. And that's it, clean and simple. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe for more quick coding tutorials like this.